No, leave the doggy's bone alone.
Knick-knack, paddywhack.
Jordan, give it to Saxton. Give it to him. That's dirty. Aw, thanks, baby. You're so nice.
Tries to eat it.
Can you give it to the dog? Give it to Saxton. Give it to him. Give it to Sax. Good job. Give it to the dog. Jordan, that's Saxton's bone. Thank you. Good job. Nah.